Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this resume preparation session. My name is Avikal Chauhan, and I am the trainer in 360DigiTMG. Okay, so today we are going to look for how we are going to prepare the resume. Okay, so what kind of things we have to look in the job description. According to that, we have to make a resume. Okay, so today we are going to look for why we are going to need tailor resume. Okay, how we are going to understand a job description which we are going to find in the job portal. Okay, what are the relevant skill and experiences we are have to required or identify from the job description. Okay, using what kind of using keywords it should be effective for our resume. Okay, how we are going to customize our resume layout and how we are going to make a cover letter. Then we are going to look for the best practices or the tips we are going to use to preparing the resume. So why we are going to need a tailored resume? So, so it will going to enhance the visibility. Okay, enhancing the visibility to the hiring manager, HR people who are the person who are concerned or the person who are using or reviewing your resume. Okay, for the particular job. So what are the things you have to look in write into that resume? The things you have to highlight your skills and experiences that are aligned with the job. Align with the job means align with the job description which for which you have applied for. And what is the company nature? Okay. Then if you are going to make up a tailored resume, it will going to enhance the visibility and whatever the things they were asking, you are in highlighting those things. So it will going to make your higher chances to get the interview. Okay. So if you get the chance to get the interview, it will also enhance the for the essential for the competitiveness because for a one particular job, there are n number of people are applying, and you have to stand out from those n number of people. So how you are going to stand out? So preparing a specific resume for the particular job description. Then I said you have to prepare the resume according to the job description. Now, what things you have to analyze in that particular job description? So first, you have to look for what are the priority key skills they have mentioned in the job description. Okay, whatever the skills or experiences they or qualification they have mentioned, you have to look for those things and focus on the essential qualification what they were asking in the resume or description or not resume description job description. And sometimes they also specify the particular language they are going to use in their company or their workforce. So sometimes they also mention, but most of the companies use English as a company language or job culture language. So most of the time you're not going to face this kind of question. And if you, when you look for the particular job description and things you read it, it will also going to give you the insight what kind of question that particular person going to ask you. Okay, so how you are going to identify your relevant skills? So whatever the skills they have mentioned in the job portal or job description, match those skills, list down those skills in one paper, and then what are the achievement you have list on that on your paper, whatever the achievement you got in a previous company, institution, school time, whatever. Okay, mention those things. Then prioritize your experiences or skills according to the particular description. Okay, and also please mention that whatever the relevant experiences you have, mention those things first. Okay. First, you are going to mention the relevant skill and experience. Then you are going to mention the relevant experiences you are right now getting. Okay. Then please, you have to update your resume regularly. Whatever the new skills and achievement you are going to get, according to that, you have to update your resume. According to that, also you have to update your job profile also in the particular job portal like LinkedIn, Naukri, and all. Okay. Then okay, so what are the keywords you are going to use? So exact keyword related to the required skills and technology, whatever they were going to ask, you have to use those keywords. Okay, if they are asking about they need a Power BI person or AI engineer or some kind of person who going to know about the data analysis. So according to those field or area or environment, you have to use those keywords mentioned in your resume. So it will going to enhance your resume. Okay, and whatever the words you are going to incorporate it in your resume, it should be integrated naturally. Okay, not as the things you have just put it in. Okay, then maintain the natural flow for both the ATS and human reviewer. Natural flow means the things should be come step by step. First they are going to there will be summary, then they will going to you are going to show about the skills, or then you are going to show about the relevant skills on your project, then you are going to show first about the project. So like that you have to make a natural flow, and this ATS is a one kind of software through which your resume got shortlisted for the human verification for the particular company's HR. So this ATS software going to shortlist the resume, those resume which are aligned or which they have an objective aligned with the particular job description on which you are applying. Okay, then avoid the key stuffing word means don't use the words which have the same meaning. Like you know about the data analysis. So with the data analysis, you also put the data analytics. You also put a data analytic. Like those keyword stuffing, you don't have to integrate. Just one word is also enough. Then after making your resume, you have to customize your resume layout. Or layout means your design of your layout resume. So you can use both the chronological functional combination of format for the preparing the resume, like okay, and whatever the font and color you are going to use, please use those font and color which going to enhance the readability of the human reviewer. Okay, and please position the critical information prominently means whatever the information they were seeking and they have put in the job description, mention those things first, other than things comes later. Then you can incorporate the subtle graphics and color accent also. Like I said, where whatever the color and graphic you're going to use, it should be a very neat and clean or subtle. After preparing a resume, you have to sometimes also have to create the cover letter. In that cover letter, you are going to give the personal information or not a personal information or introduction about yourself. Okay, like you are going to address for a specific person if possible, and you are going to express your interest for the interest you have and what are the interests the companies have, which going to be aligned with the going to align with the future. Okay, then align the goal and align the experiences with goals. Summarize how your experiences align with the goals and objectives. Okay. Then after that, you have to give the closure or conclusion of your cover letter. Whatever the things you have mentioned in about paragraph, you have to give short conclusion about it. Then you have to final tips for the best practice, like you have to ensure the documents are the free from errors. Okay, there should be no spelling mistake or email mistake or whatever. Okay, always seek feedback from the other person after preparing a resume if their resume is fine or some correction or some enhancement or improvement is needed. So they were going to guide you. And from whom you have to take the guidance? From your career counselor or the mentors. Okay. Then, whatever the, like I already said, you have to keep your resume or always updated. So keep it current, regularly update your resume or whatever the skill and experiences you are getting on each day or day by day, your things learning, please mention those things. Then engage in the networking. So build the networking with the people who are in the same industry, like data science. Data science is one industry. Okay, have a contact or connection with those people only which are in working same environment. Okay. Then these are the some famous job portal like Naukri, Shine, LinkedIn, Indeed are the same famous job portal where you can apply your jobs. Okay, through that you can get the answer of the job descriptions or job for applying. Then these are the few Google search you can look for from the Google. And if you're going to type it like you want data science job, this kind of suggestion you are going to get, and any of the link you can click it on it, and through that you will get the inputs of the job post through which you can apply it. Okay, then what are the keywords you can use if you are going to prepare the resume for a data science? You can use data mining, SQL, Python, deep learning, okay, network analytics, generative AI, EDA. Some of the analytics skill also you can mention like quantitative trend analysis, business understanding, okay, management, data management, soft skill like problem solving, time management, okay, continuous learning. Then you also there are some of the questions your interviewer may going to ask like how could you improve in your career progress? Okay, what do you worry about if you join our company and all? And if and how do you feel about the working in nights and weekends if needed? Can you able to work in nights and weekends? They were going to ask. Okay, are you willing to relocate or travel for a different location if needed? These things also going to ask. So this is all. So you can contact her on this number 81800212654321, and also you can email us on this inquiry at the rate.com. Our office in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and in Chennai. You can also follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn if you want to follow us. Okay, thank you. Bye. We